ಇದು ಕರ್ವ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬರಲಿ. ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ? ಆಯಿತು, ಬನ್ನಿ. ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ರ? ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ. ಸಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಮೆಷರಿಂಗ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಫಾರ್ ಮೆಷರಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ 2 points, for these 2 things you have to go to basic measurements. Okay, so what I'm doing is just selecting basic measurements. Select basic measurements and then go to measure distance. Here we are going to measure the distance, not the angle. So I'm selecting m distance. Okay, so select m distance. Then what you need to do, there are 2 options are there, REM, MLM. Okay, REM for measuring in the vertical plane, MLM for measuring in the horizontal plane. REM means remote elevation measurement, MLM means multiple line measurement. Okay, so for finding the height of the building I am selecting REM. Okay, REM. So once you select REM and then focus towards the bottom of the object. Okay, focus towards the bottom of the object and say measure distance. Okay, so that it will take it as the 0th level. Okay, then you will get an option called continue. Select continue twice. Why? Because first when you select continue, the angle will be start changing, but we need the distance, right? So select continue twice. So once you select continue second time, it will start giving the distance from that as the 0. Okay, after that once you rotate this telescope in the vertical plane, as your line of sight moves on, increases, the angle will increase, accordingly the distance will also increase. So once you focus on the top of the object, automatically the distance will be displayed here. No need to measure again or no need to fix the point again. Just focus towards the top of the object and the distance will be displayed here. Note down that that is the height of that particular feature. Okay, then for finding distance, that have you completed? Finding distance between the 2 points? No. 2 inaccessible points. No, ma'am. So for that what you need to do, just again select basic measurements and then select measure distance. Select measure distance. In that you have to select MLM, multiple line measurement. Okay, so in multiple line measurement there are 2 modes of measurements are there, ABAC and other one is ABBC. So in these points always your instrument station is the point A. It is defined like that, instrument station is the point A. Okay, say if I want to measure the distance between those 2 points, 2 inaccessible points, then you have to keep the mode as ABBC. You have to select it as ABBC, means B and C are those 2 unknown points. A is your instrument station point, B and C are the 2 unknown points. But whichever mode you select, the first measurement is going to be the same. No doubt about it, because in both the mode if you see ABAC and other one is ABBC. So in both the cases first term is AB only. So when you focus at one point and say measure, it will first give you distance from the instrument station to that particular point where you are focused, horizontal distance. Okay, then second point, if your mode is in ABAC, when you focus towards the next point and say measure, again it will give distance from the instrument to that point, AB and then AC. Always from A it will give the distance. But now according to your exercise you need distance between those 2 points, not with respect to the instrument. In that case you have to select ABBC, so that first measurement is going to be the same from the instrument, but your second measurement will give you distance between those 2 points. So like that, this is not for 2 points, you can select n number of points. But once you keep it in ABBC mode, when you say measuring the third point, the third measurement is going to be the distance between your previous point and that particular point. CD. Okay, is that clear? So you have to make sure that you kept in the mode ABBC. If it is in the other way, wrong distance it will display. So select in ABBC. First focus at first point, say measure, it will give some distance, that is from instrument to that point which is not required. Again focus to the next point and say measure, again it will give horizontal distance, that distance corresponds to those 2 unknown points. So with that you will complete distance between 2 inaccessible points. Okay, so REM, MLM, is that clear now? Okay.